happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be reviewing the latest collection from Madam Glam. It's called Thankful Days collection. It's in honor of obviously Thanksgiving. We're in the month of November, so Thanksgiving's right around the corner, and they released some new polishes for the month of November, so let's hop into it. So like I said, this one is called Thankful Days. Let's take a look at each of these colors. Okay, so it's 7 polishes in the collection here. Looks like there's some creams and maybe a cat eye or just a glitter, not sure. I think it's just the glitter. It looks like there's a pearly color as well. So yeah, let's take a closer look at each one. I definitely think they're right on time for this time of the year, this color theme. First color we have here is Cranberry Toast. Ooh, I'm liking the name so far. Ooh, that's a really beautiful, deep kind of burgundy red color. Very pretty. Next color we have here is Midnight Mocha. Oh goodness, that's a really beautiful deep brown color that has like purple undertones to it. November Night. Gorgeous. This here is a really beautiful muted blue color. Absolutely love that. And I do love that, you know, Madam Glam's making all their polishes with that curved brush now. Next color we have here is Chai Latte. I think I have this color already, actually. This is one of their nudes. Oh, pretty. Really gorgeous, nice brown nudie color. Very pretty. Butter Glaze. Oh, yeah. Very beautiful. So this here is a pearly, like a pearly kind of brownish gold color almost. Kind of like a rusty gold color. Very, very pretty, like a vintage gold. We have Harvest Flame. Oh, pretty. This here is a, what color would I describe this? Like a very burnt, kind of like a muted burnt orange color. Very pretty. And last color we have here is Toasted Pecan. Oh my gosh. Reminds me of some pecan pie. Ooh, pretty. A nice deep bronzy color here. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and hop into swatching Cranberry Toast. Ooh, pretty, y'all. Loving this color a lot. Very, very pigmented. You all know Madam Glam. They're vegan, HEMA-free, cruelty-free. I think they're like 21 free. So very clean polishes, highly pigmented, and self-levels beautifully. Super creamy. Midnight Mocha. Look at that. Yeah, I really like this color. It's pretty unique. Like, it's like a really deep, it's kind of like a brownish purple. It's like a deep brown with purple undertones to it. That's really pretty. I don't think I have anything like this color. November Night. Very pretty. Very nice. Chai Latte. Very beautiful nude. Gorgeous. Butter Glaze. Alright, that's pretty. So yeah, this is a pearly color. I am going to do swirls on one half of the swatch stick just to get the pearl little feature there to activate. I'm going to use my little dotting tool here, and then you really just kind of make like circular motions with it. Like so. Go ahead and cure. Harvest Flame. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Toasted Pecan. This one's a really thick formula here. Look at that. Super cute. This one also has like some fine hollow glitters in it, or silver glitters in it. Very, very pretty. Yeah, that's a gorgeous color. And I'm gonna go ahead and just swirl it around on this end here to activate that pearl feature on it. Yeah, that's pretty. Wouldn't care. Alrighty, so this is what all these polishes are looking like swatched out. These colors are really, really beautiful for this time of year. Absolutely loving the fall theme. It's definitely giving fall cozy weather vibes. So let's take a closer look of each one. First one we have here is Chai Latte. It's an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful nude color. I think this honestly would look good on any skin tone, but it is very, very beautiful. November Night, and I really love this color. It's a nice muted blue color. Really, really perfect for this time of year. Midnight Mocha, which is this gorgeous deep brown color that has reddish kind of purpley undertones to it. Cranberry Toast, which is this really beautiful deep burgundy color. Butter Glaze, which is this gorgeous rustic gold color. This is a pearly color, so this is what it would look like if you activated the pearliness, and that's what it would look like just if you applied it as is. And I think that that Butter Glaze with that Chai Latte would look really, really cute together if you wanted to have like an accent nail. I think that's a really cute combo. And even if you wanted to, you could definitely pair these two together as well. I think that would make a really cute fall set. Next we have Harvest Flame, which is this really beautiful muted burnt orange color. I think these two would actually look good together in a set, to be honest. I really like that combo. And then last but not least, we have a Toasted Pecan, which is this really beautiful kind of bronzy gold color here. And as you can see off to the side, that's what it would look like if you activated the pearl. This is what it would look like if you applied it as is. And I love that it has really fine silver glitters in it. That one's really pretty. If we're looking for a combo here, Midnight Mocha would pair beautifully with that color. I also think Cranberry Toast would complement that color really nicely as well. So yeah, all these colors work really good together. So yeah, you guys, this collection is really, really beautiful, and all these colors work really, really well together. Yeah, I like this a lot. So yeah, this is a really beautiful fall collection just in time for this time of the year. I do have a discount code with Madam Glam. I am going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. You guys can save 30-35% off on their website if you use my code. So feel free to save some coin if you're shopping on their website. And yeah, I really like how these colors turned out. I think it's a really cute collection, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I am going to be doing also a 12 days of swatchman series coming up on my channel, and I'm going to be swatching a lot of Madam Glam polishes during that 12 days of swatchman, so definitely stay tuned to the channel as well if you all want to see more Madam Glam polishes and more of how they look and swatched out. I do also have a dedicated playlist for Madam Glam here on the channel. I'll leave that down below as well, but I have a lot of their collections that I would like to get swatched out, and I plan on doing that for my 12 days of swatchman. So yeah, to be Madam Glam polishes, Beetles polishes. I have some Model Ones, Opopiu, Gayoi, a lot of different like Amazon brands and things like that. So if you all want to see more swatches, and in December I will do every single day for 12 days leading up to Christmas, I will be swatching new collections. And so I got a lot of Madam Glam. Last year when I did it, I had a lot of Beetles polishes, but then I also had, you know, Young Nails, Not Polish, you know, Couture, things like that. Brother Cosmetics, I had those in there. This year I do have a lot of Madam Glam polishes, but I also have some other brands like Beetles and Model Ones and such. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about that new series that I got. I did it last year. This will be my second annual one, but I'm prepping up and gearing up for that. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.